Alright, let me lay it down. This is the new sound of Drake right here.
Freaky, I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pam.
Honestly, if you guys want to look in my eyes, you guys want to do something? You guys, that's what I thought. No.
Seen it on the gram, trying to see that shit in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move free. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seen how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Yeah. Six got tall, but I ain't trying to get preachy. No. Seen how you did, homeboy, please take it easy.